everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video we're going to be unboxing the Allure box for September 2020. Before we get started, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimnies.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet and would like to be, go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. One more thing before we get started with Allure. They are increasing the price of this beauty box next month. Beginning with October, they are increasing the price of the Allure beauty box. Right now it's $15 a month. It's going up, I think, to $23. It might be $25. Somewhere between like $21 and $25 is what they're going to be doing. They're going to be doing more full-size products, that sort of thing in the box. So if you subscribe before the end of September for an annual subscription, you will still lock in the $15 per month price. If you don't subscribe until after October 1st, then you would get the higher price. But I am currently on a month-to-month subscription. This is my September box. I am going to probably tomorrow, because I'm filming this in the evening. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking. I know you probably can. My son just got home. But tomorrow, because I am filming this in the evening, I will plan to sign up for an annual subscription because I want to get that lower price. So let's go ahead and get into my Allure box for September of 2020. There's always a card in the box with a beautiful person on the front. That is this month's card. And we're going to go ahead and pull this open, and then we'll go through all of the items. So let's start with the item that's on top. I always like these. This is a brush, and this is from Elf. So this is a very affordable brush. Let me go ahead and shut the door. Hang on one second. All right, so this is the Elf highlighting brush, and it looks like you could have gotten this or the NYX Pro Contour brush. So I got the highlighting brush from Elf. This is $4. This says, I'm all for a good powder highlighter. There is something about glowy skin that makes me feel confident. The contour tip of this brush is designed for precise highlighting of cheek and brow bones. During the summer, I also sweep it across my collarbone. The bristles pick up powder with one touch and feel as soft as a feather on your skin. And if you're looking for an out-of-this-world glow, dip the brush into your highlighter and spritz the bristles with setting spray before brushing on your makeup. From Angela Tricocious, Assistant Beauty Editor. And if you go to Elf Cosmetics, you can use a code Allure25 to receive 25% off your next brush purchase. One use per customer. So it is a little bit different. It's kind of like flatter. Not sure if you can see that. Let me adjust the light here. It's kind of flatter, but if you look at it from like the top, it's like squished in flat. Now this brush is a little bit bigger than the typical highlighting brush that I would use, but I like Elf brushes quite a bit actually. I have several of them. So that is the first thing in my Allure beauty box. Let's keep going. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this item out next. Oh, this is like a bonus. Every once in a while, Allure does put a bonus item in their box, and you'll see the ad on the back of the box or the booklet. So this is waterless hair care. This is a dry shampoo, instant moisture, conditions dry hair to control frizz. So it is a leave-in conditioner, or dry conditioner, which I don't think I've ever seen a dry conditioner before. I've seen dry shampoo, of course, but I don't think I've ever seen a dry conditioner. So that's a little bit different. So it looks like they have a dry shampoo and a dry conditioner, so you would use both. Okay. Just shake, spritz, smooth, is what it says. Instantly soft and smooth hair on days you don't wash. All right. Let's pull out this item right here. This is from Roche Posay. It's sunscreen. Athelios 50 Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid. So this says, this sunscreen does everything it should, blends in on all skin tones, offers broad spectrum protection, and then some. Usually, the best thing you can say about the feel and look of a sunscreen is that it's not greasy. But this is the rare formula that actually makes my skin noticeably softer and smoother after I put it on. This is even more impressive considering that it's a mineral formula with zinc and titanium dioxide, perfect for me as a nursing mom. From Elizabeth Siegel, Deputy Beauty Director, and you can get it at larocheposay.us use code Allure BB20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase of the sunscreen from September 1st through October 31st. There you go. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out next because it's on the same page. This is the Elvis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So there it is. Okay. Let's see. Yep, it's just a thick balm. It smells all right. It smells like soap. I mean, it's a cleansing balm. What do you expect? Okay, so the Elvis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I thought I knew how to remove my makeup, but now I'm rethinking all the scrubbing I used to go through. The game changer. This Cult Classic Cleansing Balm. I start by warming the hydrating algae and shea butter formula between my fingertips until it becomes an oil. Then I gently massage it over my face. With water, the balm transforms into a milky cleanser and I can see my makeup melting away. You can simply rinse with several splashes of water, but I prefer to wipe everything off with a damp, warm washcloth. Not only does it whisk away grime, this balm also moisturizes, I was mixing those two words together, with 9 essential oils. So you can get it at elmis.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order, excluding the Ultra Smart Pro Collagen range. Travel size products, gift sets, and e-gift cards. Cannot be combined with other promotions, not applicable with a free mini with $30 purchase, all sorts of different things. September 1st through October 31st. All right. Let's go on to this. I don't know what this is. Twist Up Eyeliner from Cleo Noir. I've never heard of this brand before. Ooh, it's in purple. At least it says in the booklet that it's in purple. The box does not say the shade at all. So, yep, it's in purple. Ooh, it's a deep purple too. That's pretty. I don't know that the light will allow you to see that, but that's pretty. I am not going to swatch that, but it's definitely pretty. Okay, so this is the, come on, there it goes. Cleo Noir Twist Up Eyeliner in purple. Eyeliner has been a must in my makeup routine since I was 13. I loved outlining my eyes in black and then gently smudging the bottoms and tops, a trick I learned from one of my Dominican homegirls from Corona, Queens. For years, I mostly used black liner because the available color options weren't ideal for girls with medium brown skin tones like mine. Thankfully, things have changed. Now I wear a lot of color. Cleo Noir's purple liner has a buttery smooth formula and a beautiful violet tone. It's something you notice on second look. Plus, it's got some sparkle, which is perfect for a smoky night look. You can also wear it during the day. For me, glitter is a neutral. And that's from Jihan Forbes, staff editor. You can get it at cleonoir.com. Enter Allure30 at checkout to receive 30% off your order plus free shipping. And it's from September 1st through November 1st of 2020. All right. Next item, which I'm going to pull out because it's on the same page, is this one right here. This is the Revitalizing Japanese Sake Sheet Mask from Glam Up. That is what it looks like. All right. So this says, in this sheet mask, Glam Up pairs aloe leaf extract with its namesake ingredient, sake. The fermented, boozy sushi bar favorite is also great for brightening skin. One use of this mask didn't make my dark spots totally disappear, but it did erase the general dullness that plagues my dry skin. I followed the directions on the packet to snip off the bottom corner, and then it was easy to squeeze out every last drop of my mask juice. Oh, after you use it. I was like, what is this talking about? All right. I patted the extra essence onto my cheeks and then down my neck to spread the brightening goodness. Cheers to that. From Gabriella Thorne, editorial assistant. So there you go. Price $9.98 for 10. You can get it at goselly.com, SELLY.com. Enter Allure Glam Up at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase of Revitalizing Japanese Sake Sheet Mask. set of 10 from September 1st through November 30th. You could have also got a Soothing Aloe one. And if you use Allure Glam Up at checkout, you receive 20% off of the Soothing Aloe sheet mask set. And that was $14.20 for 10. This was $9.98 for 10. All right, one more thing in here, which I have gotten before, but I don't think I've ever used. I have a couple of these in my backup mascara drawer. I have a whole drawer. It's not like full, but I've probably got about 20 or so mascaras in that drawer that are unopened. And this, I think, is one of them, unless this one is new. But I think I have two different Wonder Beauty mascaras. Anyway, this is from Wonder Beauty. It's the Unlashed Mascara. I first tried this mascara in 2017, the year it won an Allure Best of Beauty Award. And I still hoard every tube I can get my hands on. When I reach for mascara, I want drama. I look for a formula that darkens, thickens, lengthens, and holds curl all day. Unlashed does all of that without clumping or flaking, even when I go to town by layering it 5 or 6 times. The slightly hooked wand has staggered bristles, some shorter than others, that grab every lash. The unique shape also makes coating inner and outer lashes a breeze. It doesn't claim to be long wearing, but I've worked out in it without any running or smudging. And that's Kathleen Succo, assistant editor. Sephora.com, enter Allure AUG 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order from August 1st through September 30th. So let's go back through my Allure Beauty Box for September and review what I got. I got the mascara from Wonder Beauty, the Glam Up sheet mask. This is the revitalizing sheet mask. The Elvis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. The La Roche Posay sunscreen. The dry conditioner from Waterless. I think the brand is Waterless. Yes, Waterless is the brand. And then the e.l.f. brush and the liner from Cleo Noir. I've never heard of Cleo Noir before. I'll be interested to give that a try. So overall, I'm actually really pleased with this box. I do like my Allure box most of the time. I like that this was pretty even as far as like skincare and makeup. I did get 2 pieces of makeup, but I do usually count like the brush as part of like a makeup item. And then I got 3 skincare items, and then the like bonus item is a hair care product. So I do prefer to have my boxes either lean more heavily towards makeup or be somewhat evenly balanced, and this was evenly balanced. So I'm pretty happy with this box. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what they have starting next month with their expanded beauty box. And like I said, just make sure if you're curious and you're interested, like I said, Allure Beauty Box is one of my favorites. But if you are interested and you want to get that annual subscription before the end of September, go ahead and do that. I don't have a link or anything. You just go to Allure Beauty Box and you can get the get it a subscription there, or give them a call, I think, too. But it will save you some money in the long run. I personally think it's worth it, especially as they move into more full-size products and a bigger box. So that's just what I'm going to do. You do you. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not yet, go ahead and hit subscribe. I have some holiday giveaways coming in the upcoming weeks, excuse me. So if you want to be entered in those and you want to see those videos when they become live, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you are aware, and hit the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What do you think of the Allure Beauty Box for September 2020? Do you think it's worth the $15? Are you excited for next month when they start to expand into a larger box? Let me know that as well. All right, that's going to be it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.